This technique is definitely not a gimmick. It also works on kids by using the thumb on your brush or comb hand. Hold the ear down. With the cutting hand, take your middle finger, place it on the angle of the jaw. Gently hold the trimmer. Turn as you move on the skin carefully with the guide blade, aka the fixed blade, using the corners only. Allow the cutter blade to simply cut the hair, starting at the top front part of the ear really helps. Take your time, do not rush. I promise you this works. And also, really quickly, the brush doesn't pull all the hair out. It just helps dust everything away. So use a comb, which will, of course, reveal everything left over from the trimmer that you use to set in the baseline. And come back in with something that's a little bit more sharper than what you used before and remove all those impurities. This is what you call refining the line. This will be tremendously helpful for your client because when they get home and shampoo, they will not have a garbage lineup.